channel, stay to take. So now we are going to discuss about the topic pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Right? First of all, what is linear equation two variables? Let's see. An equation said to be a linear, it is having two coefficients and three real numbers. That is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 only. In these x comma y are two coefficients, a comma b comma c are three real numbers. Right? This is said to be linear equation two variables. Right? See, then pair of linear equations. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So these two are called as pair of linear equations in two variables. Right? These two are said to be both common variables and common coefficients like a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 and x comma y. Right? So this is called as pair of linear equations in two variables. Right? So now we have to solve these pair of linear equations in two methods. So one is a graphical method. Okay, now one is graphical method and number two is algebraic method. Okay, now one is a graphical method, another one is algebraic method. Right? So in that graphical method you have three types. Right? Let it be explained after. Right? Next, algebraic expression, in this also you have two types. Let it be explained. Right? See, first one, graphical method. Right? For suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two are the pair of linear equations. Right? In this, then a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, now a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Then the lines are intersecting. Okay, now then the lines are intersecting lines. Okay, now right. Next, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are parallel. Okay, now right. Next, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are coincident. It means one line on another line. Right? That is coincident. Okay, now. Right? So this is a graphical method. Okay, now. Right? Next, you have one more method, that is algebraic method. Right? So in this you have mainly two types. One is a substitution method. One is a substitution method. Another one is a elimination method. Elimination method. Right? In this algebraic methods you have two types. One is a substitution and another one is elimination method. Right? So this is a graphical method and a algebraic method. Right? It is very very important. Right? So for suppose 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 6x plus 8y plus 10 is equal to 0. Right? Then find the nature of lines. Okay, now find the nature of lines. See, so the given pair of linear equations, write down like this: a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 amma. Right? Next, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 6x plus 8y plus 10 is equal to 0 amma. Right? From this, write down a1 is equal to 3 and b1 is equal to 4 and c1 is equal to 5. Okay. Next, a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 8, then c2 is equal to 10 amma. Now we have to write down a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6 amma. Next, b1 by b2 is equal to 4 by 8 amma. Next, b1 by b2 is equal to 4 by 8, c1 by c2 is equal to 5 by 10 amma. Right, we have to cancel it. 3 1s are 3 2s are, then 4 1s are 4 2s are, then 5 1s are 5 2s are. Right, write down a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2, comma b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2, comma c1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 2. Right, from this we write down the conclusion. Therefore, a1 by a2 all are having 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 only. Just write down a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 amma. And you know already, whenever the lines are a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 all are equal, means then the lines are coincident. Right? Coincident lines amma. Okay na? Right? So like this you have to find the nature of lines whenever the two pair of linear equations given amma. Okay na? Right? Okay ma, right? Substitution method. See, 3x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 amma. Right? So by using substitution method to solve this amma, so this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2 amma. Right? So from this equation number 2 write down like this, 4x is equal to 2y plus 6 amma. Right? These two are transposing RHS only, then x is equals to 2y plus 6 by 4 only. Right? So this x is substitute in equation number 1 amma. Right? Okay now. Then see, 3 of x amma. X means what? 2y plus 6 by 4. Okay now. Next, plus y plus 6 amma is equal to 0. Right? See, multiply 3 inside of the bracket amma. Then 3 2s are 6y plus 3 6 are 18. Okay now. By 4 plus y plus 6 is equal to 0 amma. Right? So now divide with 4, LCM, then 6y plus 18 plus 4 into y 4y plus 4 6 are 24 amma is equal to 0. Right? So now see, 6y plus 4y 10y amma plus 18 plus 24 42 amma. 24 plus 8 32 plus 10 42 by 4 is equal to 0. Right? Where to 4 transfers to RHS, it becomes into, that is 0. Then 10y plus 42 is equal to 0 only. Then 10y is equal to minus 42. Then 10 1s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 0.20 amma, 10 2s are 20. Then y is equal to minus 4.2 amma. Right? This minus 4.2 substitute in equation number 1. Okay now. Then we get x value. Right? See, I am substituting y is equal to minus 4.2 amma. Then what is equation number 1? 3x plus y plus 6 amma. Right? See, 3x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Then 3x plus y means what amma? Minus 4.2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Right? See, then 3x minus 4.2 plus 6 is equal to 0 only. See, then 3x 6 minus 4.2 amma, how much amma? Plus 1.8 is equal to 0. Right? Then 1.8 transfers to RHS, then 3x is equal to minus 1.8 only, then x is equal to minus 1.8 by 3. Okay? then 3 1s are 3. First we have to keep 0 here, then 3 6 are 18, and x is equal to minus 0.6, right? So x is equal to minus 0.6 and y is equal to minus 4.2. So right, so this is the substitution method. Got it all of you? Okay. Next elimination method amma. Right, see 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Then 6x plus 7y plus 12 is equal to 0 amma. Right, by using elimination method to solve this problem amma. See, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 only. Okay, right, now in elimination method we have to cancelling the term amma. Okay na. Right, see, now I am doing here equation number 1 multiply with 2. Okay na, then we cancelling this first term x term amma. Okay na, see here now, then equation number 1 multiply with 2 amma, right? We get 2 into 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 only. Okay na? Let's see, then multiply 2 3s are 6x plus 2 4s are 8y plus 2 5s are 10 amma is equal to 0. This is equation number 3 amma. Right? Now from 3 and 2. Okay na? See, from 3 and 2 amma. What is 3? 6x plus 8y plus 10 is equal to 0. Next, what is 2? 6x plus 7y plus 12 is equal to 0 amma. Right? Solve these equations. Here plus means minus, here plus means minus, here plus means minus amma. Then plus 6x minus 6 gets cancels. Here we have to consider this second symbol only, not this first symbol. Same as 8 minus 7y, 1y. Okay now, then what is it amma? Plus 10 minus 12 minus 2 amma is equal to 0. Right? Then y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to plus 2 amma. Right? These y is equal to 2 substitute in equation number 1. Then we get x value. Let's see, y is equal to sub in equation number 1. Right? Then see, equation number 1, 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 amma. In this 3x plus 4 into y means 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. Then 3x plus 4 2 is 8 only plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Then 3x plus 8 plus 5 how much amma? 13 is equal to 0. Then next step only 3x is equal to minus 13. Then x is equal to minus 13 by 3 amma. Right, so this is the x value. This is y value amma. So this is the elimination method. Okay na? Right? One statement amma. So by using statement to write the linear equation form, it is important amma. See, the cost of 1 pen comma 2 pencils is 30 rupees. Then write the linear equation form amma. Okay amma, let's see. In this we have two types of things amma. One is pen, another one is pencil. Okay, right now we have to assume it pen is equal to x say, then pencil is equal to y say amma. The total cost is how much only? 30 rupees. Let us see here. So pen is equal to x say, pencil is equal to y say amma. Right? Therefore, the cost of 1 pen and 2 pencils is 30 rupees amma. Right? Now let's see, then x plus 2y is equal to 30 amma. Right? 1 pen, okay na, then 2 pencils, total cost 30 rupees amma. right? So this is the linear equation form, right? So let's see one more question, amma. The cost of 2 chairs and 3 balloons are 500 rupees, amma. 500 rupees. Then write the statement in linear equation form, amma. That's simple. I am saying simply, see here, chairs is equal to x and d, then balloons is equal to y, amma. Right? See, then the linear equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 500, amma. Right? Chairs 2, balloons 3, total 500 and d. So this is the linear equation form. 2x plus 3y is equal to 500 amma. Right? So this is the linear equation form. It's important and one more question. Right? Now I will wind up this session. For more updates, subscribe my channel. Thank you.